Good day everyone. Our topic for today is about the ratio test. Before we go to our example, we have here the theorem 9.17, which is the ratio test. So let the summation of a sub n be a series with non-zero terms. So the series of summation of a sub n converges absolutely when limit of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n as n approaches to infinity is less than 1. It will diverge if the limit of the absolute value of a sub n of plus 1 over a sub n is greater than 1 or infinite, and it is inconclusive when it is equals to 1. So it will converge if it is less than 1, and it will diverge if it is greater than 1 or infinite, and it will become inconclusive if it is equals to 1 and requires another test.
So we have here the example. So our given is the summation from n is equals to 0 to infinity of the square of n factorial and over the factorial of 3n. So first, since we're gonna use the ratio test, first we're gonna have or find the value of a sub n plus 1 and thus a sub n. So we have here is equals to substitute lang nato si n og n plus 1. So we have here the square of the factorial of n plus 1 over the factorial of 3n plus 3. So our an is the original equation, which is the square of n factorial over the factorial of 3n. So next is we're gonna have the formula of the ratio test. So we have here the limit of the absolute value of a sub n plus 1 over a sub n as n approaches to limit. So substitute na natong value. So we have here the limit as the square of the factorial of n plus 1 and the over the factorial of 3n plus 3 over the square of n factorial over 3n factorial. So i-simplify lang nato ni siya from division to multiplication. So we have here the limit, the square of the factorial of n plus 1 over 3n plus 3 factorial times 3n factorial over the square of n factorial. So i-elaborate nato ni siya or like i-simplify nato ni siya. So we have here the n plus 1 times n factorial. And kanipod sa ubos, which is the 3n plus 3 times 3n plus 2 times 3n plus 1 times 3n factorial. So i-times nato siya sa katong value sa a sub n nato. So we have here the factorial of 3n and the square of the square of n factorial. So next, i-cancel out man nato si the 3n factorial and si n factorial. So ang mabili na lang kay si n, the square of n plus 1 over 3n plus 3 times 3n plus 2 times 3n plus 1. Next is kung evaluate nato dito ang limit, we can have the indeterminate. Kay ma-infinite pa ni siya diri and infinite po ni siya diri, so mahimo siyang indeterminate. So i-times nato siya into 1 over n ang all sides. So we have here the square of n plus 1 times 1 over n and the 3n plus 3 times 3n plus 2 times 3n plus 1. I-times nato siya ang tanan nga terms into 1 over n. So kay gi-times naman nato si 1 over n sa tanan nga sa tanan nga equation or sa tanan nga terms, so we have here the n squared times n over n plus 1 over n squared. Then sa tanan na siya. So i-simplify nato ni siya, we can get the limit of n squared times the squared of 1 plus 1 over n cubed times 3 plus 3 over n times 3 plus 2 over n times 3 plus 1 over n as n approaches to infinity. So, igawas nato ni si n squared og n cubed. So, we have here the 1 over n. Kaya i-divide man ni nato sila duha. So, i-copy nato ning terms nga wala na to siya gigawas. So, i-times nato siya sa 1 over n. So, we have here 1 over n times the square root of 1 plus 1 over n over 3 plus 3 over n times 3 plus 2 over n times 3 plus 1 over n. So, evaluate na to ang limit. So, we have here 1 over infinity. Kanya katong mga n kay ilisa na to og infinite. So, may mo na lang siyang 0 times 1 plus 0 squared over 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. So, may mo na siyang 0 times 1 over 3 plus 3 times 3 times 3. So, we have here 1 over 27 times 0. So, we have 0.
Since the limit is equals to 0, therefore it is convergent by our theorem. And that's all for ratio test.